Hi, it's your girl Kiki Kings, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and ultimately give me a thumbs up. So today I have an exciting unboxing with you guys, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the brand Hermes. You know, Hermes is a top brand, luxury top brand. They are into bag dated to 1950s, and today I'm gonna be unboxing. Do you think it's gonna be like a Birkin bag, or what is it, or a Kelly bag? So I have a couple of Hermes products here today. So let me start with this first. Do you love? Let's see what's inside. Wow, this is cute. This is Hermes. This is Hermes scarf. Wow, this color is so cool and lovely. I like it because it has, you know, like multiple colors. You can always combine it with different outfits, and this is really beautiful. The material is silk, and you know, paparito. So let me take you to the second unboxing, which is, I already gave you a clue, so let's just unbox together. So this gift is actually from my husband to me for our anniversary. Yeah, because I'm unboxing it with you guys, I couldn't have the time, you know, to put it in a beautiful, yeah. So I got this from my essay. As you guys know, getting Hermes, it's a rigorous stuff to go through, and you know how Hermes works. You have to be buying products from Hermes for a quite time, like number of times, and after that you can't just walk into any store to get any purse or bag. They have to, one of the essays has to let you know that, oh, they are interested to sell to you after you have lots of history with the company. So to my viewers, this is the almighty Hermes. So I actually got this from a preloved market, and I just told you the history of going to the store. So it was not possible for me to get this at the store, but I got it from a preloved market. So guys, what do you think? Do you like? Do you love? This is my Hermes. Look at the leather, so soft. It has, you know, and this is cute, so beautiful. Yeah, for the first time, I'm not going to disclose the amount that I actually bought this. I am not going to disclose that, but you guys, you know, it costs a lot. So okay guys, and this is the handle for it. So what do you think, guys? Do you like? Do you love? So this size, it's not a small, this is like more of a large medium size. I love my bag to be big. All right, thank you guys. If you're still here, please don't forget to like, share, give me a thumbs up, and ultimately subscribe. Peace out.